we are on the Google Labs site again, which is labs.google and /experiments. Today I am going to show you a little bit about the GenType experiment, which is about creating your own alphabet and writing words and stuff like that with that alphabet. So I am on the site, like I said, it says GenType. It is very far down on the page, so you might have to do a quick in-browser search. And notice it does say try it now, which means it's good to go and you can give it a shot. So I'm going to click on it, and this is what the page looks like. So let's go over the page. Once again, it tells you GenType. If you click here, it tells you a little bit more about what it does, which is it's an experiment built on the Imagen2 API that helps users create custom alphabets based on their own theme descriptions and prompts, okay? And so that's where you put it right here. So what is the alphabet made out of? And you put it right here. And then here are some examples of what have been created. This is one of my favorites right down here with Ethernet cables. And another one is the fireflies. I really like those. And of course I like the grape jelly. All right, so let's go. So it gives you some examples here that you can try, but I am going to try letters written in ketchup or mustard on cooked hamburger patty. Yes, I've done this before, and so it does show raw meat. So let's do this, and what will happen is when I hit generate, sometimes it takes a while, but it will show up right here. And so we'll give it a little bit of time. If it takes too long, I will pause the video and skip through. And then so there you go. So you can see it's popping up. So this one actually did both, not a bad deal. And what'll happen is when you get your alphabet, you can actually type a word up here and you can just create that word if you want. But you can click on the letter. Let me see if it doesn't mess things up. You can click on the letter, you can regenerate it, you can copy it, and you can download it if you want to do each one individually instead of creating your own word up here. So let's see. It's going through it pretty quick, so not too bad. Not sure I like the mixed one, so let's do this one. I'm going to hit regenerate on this one. Let's see what happens. It might take longer, but it looks like the alphabet behind the scenes is working on it. So it did do a different one, so that's pretty cool. And so if you don't like it, you can regenerate it. Like this one's pretty nice. I don't know if I like this one, so let's regenerate one more. Let's see what happens. That ketchup almost looks like a tomato. All right, so let's give it a shot. That's not too bad. It looks a bit nicer, looks cleaner. And that's how you do it. Now, if you go up here, you can type your word. So let's do hamburger. And it's up here. So you can make it bigger. You can share it. Or you can save it as a PNG as it is. Let's see, we'll just go downloads. Or you can click on each letter and you can copy or download as well. And so that's the way this works. If you get pretty creative, you'll have a good time with this. Thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.